Alright, so it's Valentine's Day, so that means we need to do something cool or sweet for our sweetie. And in this case, it's my wife. I am shooting this video. I shot it live on Facebook. I'm not sure if she watches those because they get kind of technical. But the point is that I want to make something special for her. And it's early in the morning, so I can't do that right now. So unfortunately, it's got to wait till tomorrow. But tonight, I can do something fun. And for this, you'll need a magnet of some sort. It does not have to be a strong magnet. This is a neodymium. I just happen to have a lot of them. A AA battery, and I may need to walk over and get a fresh one. So give me just a second. And through the power of magic, bam, there's a new one. All right, put that one over the side. So you'll need a AA battery, a good pair of pliers, and I'm trying to keep my magnet from smashing into it, and about a 1 foot length of copper wire, bare copper wire. Alright, and you can see that mine has some bends in it. It started out straight, but I put these in here so that I have a guide to make a shorter video. Here we go. We'll see if I can't keep this under 3 minutes. We're going to put our magnets on the negative side of our battery. For use, if you don't have a annotation there, it is the flat side. Alright, and then we're going to take our pliers and we're going to bend a specific shape because it's Valentine's Day. We're going to bend it like this in the middle, and it's just kind of a rough U shape, roughly the diameter of the battery or the magnet. And then we're going to fold it upwards like so to make a nice big broad V. Then we're going to take our top portion and we're going to continue to fold down until we make a Valentine, because it's Valentine's Day. And then we're going to check it on our battery. And we're not quite right. That's okay. Just had to tweak it a little bit. And the best way to tweak it is actually to twist these, because if we do it any other way, the magnet won't, it'll bend up and and like I just did there. So here. And so we're just kind of, you can see that I'm moving the legs towards the back a little bit, and that's to kind of force the, whoops. I want to kind of force the magnets against the battery. Whoop, there we go. And now you've made a homopolar motor under 3 minutes. Good night.